Welcome to the lesson on sibilant and aspirate sounds in Sanskrit. In this lesson, we will be learning the alphabets in Sanskrit that belong to the category of sibilants and aspirate sounds. Next, let's have a look at them one by one. Sha, Sha, Sa, and Ha. The first three sounds that you see here, which are Sha, Sha, and Sa, are categorized under sibilant sounds. The sound Ha belongs to the aspirate category of sounds. Next, let's look at some simple words in Sanskrit that uses these sounds. Sha, Shaktihi, which means power. Sha, Shad, Sa, Samudraha, which means ocean. Ha, Hridayaha, which means heart. Thank you for watching the lesson on sibilant and aspirate sounds in Sanskrit. Please take a moment to use the quiz section in this course to check if you've got all the sounds correctly.